Hello, everyone. This is the Free American Press with your host, Alexander Horat. And today we're talking about a very important topic that many people are asking themselves, and that is what is the best investment? So, this has been pondered throughout the ages, and today we're going to be trying to answer this question the best we can through this presentation. So, here we go. Benjamin Franklin, a very famous American, said, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So if you have the knowledge, you'll know what you need to invest in, and then you can make the most profit. And investing in yourself, especially with reading good books daily, learning more about your surroundings and everything, and learning more about the markets. If you invest in yourself in knowledge, you're going to be ahead of the game when it comes to investing to make money. So it pays the best interest, like Benjamin Franklin said. And Benjamin Franklin, he actually started out very poor and rose to be a very rich and wealthy and successful man. So I think we should take heed to his this quote from him. And then also a very important aspect to invest in yourself is in your health. Because if your health is bad, you're not going to be able to do things that you need to do to invest. So investing in your health is a great way to invest in yourself so you're stronger, better fit, you have better mental capabilities, and that you're just a better all-around human being. And I think doing physical exercise for 1 hour a day is a great way to start investing in your health and eating the right food. I really like the carnivore diet and also the keto diet, I think are very good. So you don't eat all those sugars and carbs that are bad for your body, that our body as humankind hasn't really been used to up to the last few thousand years. We used to be much more of a carnivoristic creature living on big game, as such as in the Stone Age. So that's also an important aspect. So tangible assets, an asset with an exchange value in a physical form, and there's also intangible assets that don't have physical form. So there's a big difference between those two. Tangible assets you can hold in your hand, you can see in the real world, while intangible you can't see in the real world. It's just a digital thing. So I really feel that it's best to have tangible assets compared to intangible assets, though some intangible assets can be good as well. You just need to know what your investment strategy is and what you're going to invest in. But I just like tangible assets better. So precious metals. So precious metals are a great asset to have because you buy it and then you hold it and it's not taxed. So once you buy it and you're keeping it in secured. You're not taxed just for holding it. So it's a great way to build your wealth, especially as the dollar continues to die and we're seeing inflation come up as well. Especially also since silver and gold are used heavily in industry, so that goes up due to that as well. And we also see a big scarcity of it. So real estate and farmland is also another tangible asset that can be a good investment. And farmland is a good investment, and it's actually going up the highest it's ever been. And we're seeing billionaires such as Bill Gates and others buying up huge amounts of farmland in the United States. And there's a good reason for this, and it's because food prices are going up. We're seeing the cattle herd shrinking. So if you have farmland, you're going to be making good passive income because of your crops. You're going to be selling them each year and getting a profit from that from your animals and everything else with your farmland. So that's a really good thing to invest in. And also real estate in general is good. Rentals also good because they're going to be getting a return on your money every month from the tenant paying you rent. So that's a great thing to invest in as well. So these are two great investments, but they also come at a cost. You do pay property tax just for holding them. So say you left your house vacant or you weren't using your farmland for anything, you're just paying money on them uh, yearly with property tax. So that's the difference between gold and silver, that you're not paying taxes on that. So there you go. And another good thing to invest in is tangible assets such as collectible items. So there's a lot of good art from very famous painters that you could invest in. You can invest in collectible coins, memorabilia, things like that. And over time, your investment becomes more valuable because more and more people want that collectible item, or that becomes more valuable due to inflation. So there's some collectible items that are not as good as to invest in as they used to be, such as stamps. Stamps, there's still some good stamps you can invest in, of course, but the market as a whole has gone much more down since its inception. So that's something really to look out for is the timing of your investment and how much money you can invest in a collectible item. So this is the end of the video. I hope I shared some important information with you. Just a short synopsis is that we need to invest in our health, knowledge, and tangible assets. And I think that's probably the best thing we can do. And if we do that, we're going to be very successful people because that's what we need to do. And if you would like to follow me, please follow me on the Free American Press, subscribe, share this video with your friends, comment on the video. You can also comment future video ideas that you may have. That would be great. I'd love to see that. And you can also follow us on the freeamericanpress.com. I'm trying to build an online community there for people to see the site. So I'd just like to thank you all for watching the video. Hope you have a good day. God bless.